Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to your computer. First, carefully unpack your new printer, making sure to remove all protective tapes and foam inserts. Position the printer on a sturdy, level surface, ideally within about 1 meter of your computer and a power source. Then, connect the power cable securely to the printer and plug it into a functioning wall outlet, ensuring it powers on correctly. There are several ways to connect your printer. The most common is a direct USB connection using a USB-A to USB-B cable, typically about 1.8 meters long. For wireless convenience, you can connect via Wi-Fi, allowing placement anywhere within your network's range, often up to 30 meters. Alternatively, an Ethernet cable provides a very stable network connection, especially useful for printers shared among multiple users in an office setting. Once physically connected, you'll need to install the necessary printer drivers. If your printer came with an installation CD or DVD, insert it into your computer's optical drive and follow the setup wizard. Otherwise, visit the printer manufacturer's official website, navigate to the support section, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. This ensures optimal performance and access to all printer features. The installation usually takes less than 5 minutes. After installing the drivers, it's crucial to print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. If the printer isn't responding, first double-check all cable connections and ensure the printer is powered on and has paper. For wireless connections, verify your computer is on the same network as the printer. If issues persist, refer to your printer's user manual or contact the manufacturer's customer support for detailed troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.